Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with a tech unboxing video. Now I'm going to do an unboxing on something because I purchased external hard drive and I want to do a little short video and unboxing. And then Black Friday is having huge sales. Also, this video is going to be uploaded this week by Sunday, probably tonight. So Saturday night, Sunday. So Monday is Cyber Deal. So Amazon's having some great deals. So I'll put down the link description below where you can buy external hard drives if you guys need to get those for your Xbox or your PC. So you could also use these for your Xbox if you're running out of room, or your PC. And the reason I've got a 2 terabyte one, I'm gonna do an unboxing on this because I got all my YouTube videos and I gotta back them up. So, and I got another video coming. I did buy a new boom arm. I bought the Rode boom arm. It was on sale for like $86, some regular $100. So I got that. That's a video coming soon. This boom arm I have is a $10 boom arm. So it's working for now. It still works, but I'm going to be upgrading it. So we're going to do a little unboxing on this. So this is my early Christmas present. So let's check it out. Ooh. This is the WD Elements. So basically this is the 2 terabyte backup storage. Now this was I think $64. 64. So I don't know how the sales are going to stay on for how much longer. So guys, if you guys looking for external hard drives, this is the place to go on Amazon. So let's open this and check this out. I did get a new box opener knife for the videos. Look at that. Yeah, it's freaking sharp too. So so let's check this out. I want to do a little unboxing because oh yeah, this is gonna be, this is what it looks like. So basically you just plug it in, hook it up to your PC or your Xbox, and just install the drive, and boom, you're done, ready to go. It does take a USB. So this is the USB part. You plug it in your PC and you plug this directly in the back. That's it, just a little 2 terabyte. Now I do have like 400 gig on my videos, so eventually I might have to upgrade to maybe a 5 terabyte. Or the thing is, when you got YouTube videos and you got a lot of like 1080p, like 4K stuff, it does take up a lot of stuff. Now I'm not doing videos in 4K, but pretty much this is so this brand is actually pretty good. With instructions, it tells you how to like install it, but it's pretty much just plug in and it pops up on your thing and you just start transferring stuff over. It's that easy. I'll put down the description below where I got this if you guys want to check it out. I wanted to do a little unboxing. The unboxing is so fast and these are so small. So I did get to 2 terabyte. So anyways, that's about it. This is really a little simple video. I don't even think, it's gonna be short. So if you guys want to check these out, I recommend it. You also hook these up. This is actually a 3.0. So yeah, so this is basically a WB Elements 2 terabyte. It is compatible for Windows 10, Windows 8.1, or Windows 7. This also requires reformatting for Mac OS. So if you guys are using a Mac, but it doesn't work for Windows, but it says Windows and Mac right there. So pretty much it's for Windows and Mac. So, and also, like I said, it's good for Xbox. You want to just plug it in, have another 2 terabytes on your Xbox, because I know some Xboxes you can run out a lot with the games that are like 60 gig. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. I want to do a little short video for the Black Friday. Guys, I'll put down the description below where you could check the Black Friday sales for these hard drives if you guys want to get external hard drives or the internal, but this is external. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. I hope you guys had a nice Thanksgiving. I sure did. Ate a lot of turkey, gained a lot of weight. I am ready for Christmas. So I'll be doing a Christmas video on Christmas Day. So I always do that every year. So, all right, guys. Check you guys later.